Welcome back to my channel. Alright, listen up, mom and dad. 10 things parents shouldn't do for their kids. Now, parents, I know it is hard to step back and let your children do things for themselves because you just want to cuddle them as long as you can. But are you doing more harm than good? If you want your child to grow into a self sufficient adult, then don't. So, wait for it. Don't talk for them. A small child is walking with his mom or dad, and someone asks the kid, "Hey dear, what's your name?" Of course, the parents without thinking says, "Oh, this is Ram." They would be nice if this reaction ended once the child learns to speak, but no, parents keep on speaking for their children. So, what should parents do instead? You can give a hint to your child or encourage them if they are shy. Don't try to be their best buddy. Many parents try to be friends with their kids. Parents have a different role to protect and educate them. So, parents should let their kids look for their own friends on own age group. Mom and dad are there for the times when children need love, support, and guidance. Understand wants versus needs. Adults know that eating vegetables is much healthier than junk foods, and school supplies are more necessary than toys. So, when your kids nag them about wanting the latest toy in the market, adults say something like this: "Is police car gonna pass your math test for you?" Don't think so. What you're doing is suppressing your child's personality, their wishes, and goals. Parents should understand the needs and wishes of their children by putting themselves in kids' shoes. Just educate them about their priorities and make sure they study for math test. Don't help them too much. Toddlers can already get dressed themselves, wash their cups, and put their toys away. And at this age, children really wants to do things for themselves. But what do some parents do? They chase after their kids, picking up every toy they set down. Adults spoon feed their children instead of letting them do it themselves. Parents don't let their kids experiment. How can children develop independent personality if they are not allowed to explore their abilities? So, let your kids do as much as possible by themselves. Of course, they won't get it perfect, but it's okay, at least they try and learn it. Respect their tastes. Parents often try to impose their musical taste or book or movie preferences or even clothing styles on their children. It diminishes the child's individuality. In many cases, forcing your own tastes on your child will just result a complete backlash where the kid does or likes anything. Not to fall in this trap, enjoy your favorite music and movie yourself and let your child enjoy his. Don't force hobbies or extracurricular on them. For example, if you want your child to play a guitar and ready to sacrifice a lot of things to fulfill this dream, or those who want their son to play football and push him to train for hours every day. Don't force your dreams on your young ones. Be patient and watch your kids carefully. Notice their interest and ask them what they like and let them develop in this field. Don't live through your children, they are not you. Don't take their successes. As you know, everybody has that friend on Facebook, the one who is constantly posting about their kids. Our first steps, first swim in the pool, and the list of our achievements are endless. It's obvious they support their children a lot, but what's this point? We all know these are the children's successes, not the parents'. Remember to be happy for your children's successes, but don't confuse them with your own. Don't choose their presents. When a child can already speak, they have the right to choose what they want as presents, and it doesn't have to be a good winter coat or a toy that's supposed to develop them educationally. Remember yourself at this age. Were really happy when instead of getting that awesome toy you saw in that commercial 100 times. It might not always be possible to let children pick, but giving them a chance when possible develops a crucial skill, the ability to choose, to make decisions, and face the consequences. Again, skills they will need as adults. So, let your children choose the present they want, even if in your mind they are dumb or useless. Do you agree with these points? Don't forget to tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable parenting content. Thanks for watching.